Hey guys, Donovan here. Spring is coming up and I wanted to grow some vegetables, and I thought, you know what, I'll just do a little YouTube thing for it so I could give you some ideas on how to make a garden and stuff. So basically, I needed to start out with a little planter. So I came out here and I found a little spot where I pulled up all the grass. With this, I basically just weakened it, and then with some gloves I pulled it out. I tried to get most of the roots out, and then I put this wood all around it. You could put like some cinder blocks around it, or like that planter right there. You could do something like that. But I came up with a problem. I realized I don't have a tiller, so I thought there's a way I could till ground without having a tiller. And so I found this axe. I got this axe, and I thought maybe this is how I could do it. So basically, all you're gonna need to do is grab an axe and just, well, yeah, you're gonna have to get all the roots out of here. I haven't done that yet. There's still some roots left. And so basically, you're just gonna have to get all that out and then do something like this all around it. And then when you're done with that, I've already done it all around here. This is the side that I haven't done it. After you've done that, you're gonna need to take this thing and you're gonna need to sink it in and pull it. Sink it in and pull it. And that will break up the dirt really good. I'm gonna do it all around here, and then I'm gonna come back to you. Okay, so I tilled up the dirt a good bit. You can see that where I actually started tilling it, some roots. The dirt is nice and soft. It's easy to pick up. That's good for your plant's roots that you may grow, because the roots have to dig through the dirt, and it's just better to make it easier for the roots to go through. And over here where I did not do it, it's hard to pick it up, and it's actually quite hard. So doing this over here, if you do that for a while, in this little spot, you see that the dirt is all broken up. And if there's big chunks like this, you just crunch it up. And if there are rocks are not good for plants, so you should throw those away. Yeah, that is how you till your dirt if you don't have a tiller. But if you do have a tiller, I highly recommend you use that, just in case. And yeah, this was a little tip for gardening, so you could get your dirt nice and tilled. And here's another idea: if you ever are planning on getting chickens, I would put your chicken coop right near, like, this is going down a hill, so I would put a chicken coop right there, so that all of their poop, so that all the poop will run down in here, because that's really good fertilizer. So in the next video, I will probably show you how to make fertilized dirt, honestly.